Morning. Out with Thomas and Leroy, hunting a new spot today. Really pretty spot. Thomas and I came up and did some scouting. I found a few birds, found some quail too, and Thomas found a lot of birds. So hunting plan B, got beat out to the spot by a couple boaters, but that's all right. Hearing some mallards talking, just had some hooded mergs come and land in the decoys. Just a small spread, about a dozen mallards, a couple of the flutters, some geese, and got a little light wind right now, and some ducks flying. We'll see what comes in. Is it a pair of drakes?
Wait. You shoot him whenever. Good shot, Matt.
That's a hen, I think.
Yep, it is. Leroy! Well, I like how those work.
They decoyed pretty.
That was real nice. Yep. Banded mallard for your first one?
That'd be awesome.
Come on, Leroy. Come on, Leroy. Come on, Leroy. Good boy.
There he is. First greenhead in a new spot. Beautiful. And he decoyed pretty. So Thomas is up next on the next single. Hopefully get a few more of those. He was close.
I know, he almost dropped vertical.
Where's
If he
that?
comes in, I might shoot him.
Nice shot, Thomas. That's a drake.
Leroy might shoot him.
Nice shot, Thomas. That's a drake.
Leroy! I led that bird by about 12 feet. Good boy, Leroy. He's close,
Yeah.
but he's still young.
He's like a year away.
Shoot. I guess I should have passed on him, but
It's all right. It's a drake. You saw
Yeah.
the white on him.
Yeah.
The white little.
I could tell he was a drake, so
Yeah.
I didn't think he'd probably swing our spread twice since we didn't have any goldeneye
No.
decoys.
That was a good shot.
Thanks.
Really good shot. So here's a little better look at the set. We just got a few goose decoys. Just about a dozen, maybe a few more mallards. And Thomas and I are just sitting up underneath this tree here. So we got excellent top cover because it's supposed to be overcast all day and got a little bit of a breeze. So they should work in and decoy right here. I'm getting a couple to do it. Had a fair amount of mergansers, but got some good water on here. Flooded this vegetation. It's up a little more than typical. So figured we'd give this a shot. Well, if we can keep this sun, we'll have shadow on us too.
Yeah.
So this will be. It's only one drake.
None of them were nice.
Yeah.
Wow.
Well, the difference a spinner makes.
Spinner and sun.
Here's some mergs.
Wow. That was instantaneous.
like all hens.
There was one drake in there. I never could pick him out. I'm gonna go jump shoot that one.
You gonna go do it?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to jump them. Leroy! Shot the band right off of him.
Shame. It's a nice old greenhead.
Yep.
Pretty one.
Greenhead. Well, we got birds working.
Yeah, we'll take it. I was trying to shoot through the tree.
Sorry, I should have.
I thought he might come back around.
I just thought you would kill him.
Watch him.
Yeah.
Right there.
Did you get a line?
Yeah, see this taller evergreen?
This one?
Yeah,
All right.
right in that area. I can go help you too.
Just let me and Leroy go.
Okay.
That was my fault for calling that shot. I should have given him another circle he was gonna do.
Yeah, because I was shooting right through the tree. So I don't know if you hit him or I hit him, but
I don't know. The shot I took was a Hail Mary. I thought you clipped him on your first shot.
I was just trying to.
I didn't think you were gonna shoot unless you had a good shot. I was just saying, like, you know.
No, he said shoot, so I was like, okay, give him a shot. And a drake. Hey.
Well, you should get a dog, Mr. Matt.
Yeah. Thank you, Mr. Leroy. All right, well, there's one mallard and another drake mallard. Leroy was able to get both of them. I'm claiming the one that I shot at through the tree. We don't know if Thomas or I got it, but while Thomas was out running Leroy to get him, had another few mallards work and picked out another drake. So I'm up to 3 mallards. Thomas is up next on a single. Chipping away, fun little morning. Nice shot, Thomas.
Leroy.
They are working beautifully now.
Yeah, that was as pretty as it gets.
Yeah, backpedaling.
Tried to shoot him in the head.
Big ol'.
Look at how big that he is. Baseball head on him. Too freaking cool. Well,
they don't decoy any prettier than that.
They pick him up quick.
That's awesome. Here's a single right out front.
We're in a good flight.
Right here. He keeps coming. Yeah. Got over too far.
Yeah, just wait. He's gonna come back in.
Jeez.
What in the world?
I don't know how that one did not die.
That one's got armor on.
That was not great. That was like the easiest shot ever.
Did you not just put it right on him?
I thought I did. I mean, I just pulled up slowly and miss.
Sorry, bud. Get back.
Yeah,
Please.
that's my bad, Leroy.
He is not very impressed with that shooting.
That's my bad, Mr. Leroy. I'm sorry. I'll do better.
Good shot, Matt. That wasn't even the one I was looking at. Heck yeah, man.
That is a redemption bird.
Redemption. That other one was trying to do it too.
I didn't see that one. I saw this one just dump out.
I thought he might have seen me. He came right over the top, but yeah, I didn't see that one there. Heck yeah. Well, we are definitely getting a 10 o'clock flight now.
Next single's yours, buddy.
Thank you very much. I will try not to miss.
Happens to the best of us. There is my fourth mallard. He came in and I was able to get some redemption on him after that, the one right before it that I should have had, but that's all right. Another gorgeous, beautiful old greenhead. These have all been pretty nice birds. There might... Out here, there's few are spinning back out. Widgeon. No. Off my side, Thomas. Off my side.
Yep.
Or the gadwall.
Oh, yeah, those are gadwall.
Yeah, those. Oh.
Should I shoot this wood?
There's a mallard. Let him come back around. We can shoot the widgeon and mallards. You want to take him this past, Thomas?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. for 6 mallards coming in. Oh, a lot more. Where's he at? Oh, yeah. Yeah, shoot him. Nice, dude, that was a stud widgeon.
Good boy, buddy. Here.
Dude, that is a gorgeous widgeon.
I didn't think he was that nice when he was surfing. I mean, I could tell he was a good drake, but I didn't think he was that.
Well, we couldn't get the widgeon and the mallards to just center up all together for us, but
yeah, look.
Wow. Dude, oh my goodness. That's absolutely gorgeous duck. He's got kind of the rust colored in his head. Beautiful bird, man.
Yeah. Got us a little mixed bag.
Heck yeah.
Well,
what? I'm gonna shoot this straight.
If he gets in close, you better kill him this time.
Yeah, I'm going to. I think you got him.
Leroy.
He wasn't getting any closer, I don't think.
No. I can't believe they didn't flare off of us when they came right over the top.
Well, he was the best. The first pass was probably the best.
Yeah.
And I thought those three were gonna follow him down, you know?
Yeah.
Now, that's yours. That is gonna do it for the day. Flight really died off here the last hour. But awesome, awesome little morning out here with Thomas and Leroy. What'd you think about today?
Good time. Good time. Yeah. Got a few to decoy in just absolutely perfectly, and just gorgeous out here. I love watching this place kind of turn sunny as the day goes on. You know, we couldn't see any of the mountains early on, and then right now you can see every single mountain in the valley, so it's always a nice little treat.
Ended with 9 ducks total. I got 4 nice old green heads. Thomas got a couple mallards, a goldeneye, and a absolutely beautiful widgeon that he put in perfectly, but didn't have much wind, overcast conditions for most of the morning, and got 9 ducks. Cannot complain about that at all. What an awesome, awesome little morning. Probably could have had a little better shooting on my part, but that's about the only thing to complain about. Like Thomas said, absolutely beautiful out here, and we'll see what tomorrow brings. But that is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Be sure to go out there and support those conservation organizations, Pheasants Forever, Ducks Unlimited, Delta Waterfowl, and we'll catch you out there. See ya.